ZXIPC Mini PC, power and versatility in a compact design. The ZXIPC Mini PC is a cutting-edge desktop solution designed for gaming, office work, and multimedia applications. Powered by your choice of processors: AMD Ryzen 7 4800H, AMD Ryzen 5 5500U, Intel Core i7-1165G7, or Intel Core i5-1335U, this compact system offers exceptional performance for every need. Key features: blazing performance. The AMD Ryzen 7 4800H features 8 cores and 16 threads, providing seamless multitasking and superior gaming experiences. The Intel Core i7-1165G7 delivers enhanced processing power for creative applications and demanding office tasks. The versatile Intel Core i5-1335U balances power efficiency and performance, perfect for business and personal use. Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. Enjoy the advanced features of Windows 11 Pro, including enhanced security and productivity tools, providing a modern and user-friendly operating system out of the box. High-speed memory and storage. Equipped with DDR4 RAM and an ultra-fast NVMe SSD, the ZXIPC Mini PC ensures rapid data access, smooth multitasking, and reduced application load times. Customize your setup to meet your storage and memory needs. Compact NUC design. The NUC form factor makes this mini PC compact, space-saving, and stylish, ideal for both home and office environments. Versatile applications. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or working on complex office projects, the ZXIPC Mini PC provides the power and flexibility to handle it all. Advanced connectivity. Includes Wi-Fi and multiple USB ports for seamless connectivity with peripherals. Dual HDMI ports support multi-display setups for increased productivity and entertainment options. The ZXIPC Mini PC is your all-in-one solution for high-performance computing in a small footprint. Ideal for gamers, professionals, and everyday users, it combines power, efficiency, and convenience to deliver an exceptional experience.